Hi, this is Stephanie with WTI, and I'm here with the Outus Botanical Bookmarks. I love these so much. They're super cute. The design is adorable. It has different flowers and it has their scientific names, and it looks very vintagey and cool. Why I bought them originally was for gifts because they're so lightweight and small. It was easy to travel with and I could give them to a lot of my friends. But I also ended up keeping several of them for myself because they work really well. The magnet is very strong, and unlike other bookmarks that you can stick in and then they can fall out of your book kind of easily, these stay secure right in their spot. I've been known to fold pages in books, which is not a good habit. So this helps me break that habit. Instead of folding the page, I put this cute little magnetic bookmark there to keep my spot. It's very cost efficient. You get several of them for a really nice price, and they're pretty and they're easy and they work. What more can you ask for? So if you're on the fence about it, go ahead. It's a great purchase, but that's just my point of view.